Welcome to Sports and Spinal Physio. This brief video is an example of how we go about preventing injuries and maximising your performance. At Sports and Spinal Physio, we are experts in movement health and part of the TPM Pro network. We use the TPM Active Screening tool to assess your movement control and test your alignment, coordination and strength. Before we conduct our screening process, we discuss your goals and needs and any previous injury history that you may have. This allows us to choose the most appropriate screen and to begin to formulate our plan of action. Screening involves you performing 10 different movement tests. During this process, your ability to perform these tests will be rated. The goal is to perform the movement test in a specific way, avoiding faults and cheat movements. There are a variety of movement tests that assess the trunk and both the upper and lower limbs. Tests are conducted under both low and high load and at slow and fast speeds. This video demonstrates just a few examples of some of the tests used as part of our screening process. In addition, we may choose at some point to carry out a video gait analysis. This will provide us with information about your trunk, lower limb and foot control. We can use this information in conjunction with your screen results to plan your program. Once you have completed your screen, the TPM Active software will calculate an overall score of injury risk, which we can compare against if you choose to have a screen at a later date. More importantly, the screen reveals regions of the body where you are unable to control the movement. Uncontrolled movement is related to stress and strain and can lead to pain and injury. It can also be a source of performance weakness. Therefore, finding and fixing uncontrolled movement is a priority. Using the report and the goals we discussed initially, we can now set about planning our retraining program. The retraining program consists of specific exercises designed to address the faults and issues identified in your TPM Active screen. Your clinician will instruct and supervise you with your retraining drills on a weekly basis over a 12-week period. At the end of this period, we will rescreen you to evaluate your progress and determine the next steps. Here are just a few reasons why you may consider the TPM Active screen with injury prevention and performance in mind.